Good morning, my dear students. I am your English teacher Gurmeet Singh, and in today's video we are going to discuss about determiners. Determiners. Okay, so first of all we need to discuss about the definition of the determiner. Definition. Definition is this, that determiner is the word that define. Determiner is the word that specify or define a noun in various means different ways. For example, we have word pen. Pen, same word. My pen. For example, same word. S-O-M-E, some pens. So these words, what we call them? We call them determiners. Okay, they determine the value or the definition of the noun. Okay, so now I will give you a little description of the types of determiners. Types of determiners. Okay, so first of all we have articles a and the. So a and an we use for one to specify the special quantity of some type of noun or some noun. For example, a pen, a book, for example, an apple, etc. Clear? So A is very clear. So some students, they might have problem in an, because students mostly follow A, E, I, O, U vowel words, but this is completely wrong. What we need to follow, vowel sound. Sound. What we need to follow? Vowel sound. A, E, O, U, A. So these are the sounds. Mostly A sound, E sound, E sound, O sound, U sound. So these are the sounds we need to follow. Okay, and the mostly we use for special nouns. For example, sun, the sun. For example, Gita, the Gita. So these are the special articles provide speciality to the nouns. Clear? Okay, bache. Now these are the articles. Okay, next is demonstrative. Demonstratives are this, that, those. Okay, these word used to show or to indicate. For example, this marker, that pen, and mostly we use this and these, the things those are close to us, that and those we use for the things those are far from us. This and these, this and that we use for singular, these and those we use for plural. Okay, so this variation. Okay, the next one is possessives. Possessive, to show to whom the thing or an object belongs to. So these we have words her, his, theirs or their. So these are the words we have. For example, her dress, his pen, their house, our classroom. So these are the words we use. Okay, bache, in this video we have discussed only 3 types of determiners. In next video we will discuss all the other kinds of or types of determiners. Okay, till then, goodbye and have a nice day, beta.